Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Well, as you saw, those were like basic ingredients for a fried rice I'm about to make. There are so many recipes of fried rice. So if you chose to watch this one, thank you so much. It really means a lot. Hopefully you like my twist, my take on this dish. Alright, well, here's totally everything that I have. A spicy Chinese sausage, I have 1 green onion, 4 cloves garlic, white pepper, egg, yellow onion, rice of course, sesame oil, no flavor all-purpose oil, light soy sauce, and of course, tomato. If you've never put tomato in your rice, trust me, it is unbelievable. It's sour and umami flavor goes perfect with rice. Lastly, I have some toasted sesame seeds. Okay, let's start setting things up. Get rid of this outer layer. And I want to be able to taste some onion, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slice it. Like this. You can slice garlic as fine as possible, but please remember, the smaller the size of this, the easier it will burn. So I'm just gonna give it once over rough chop, and that's good for me. There you go. Green onion. I've got plenty of yellow onion, so I don't mind just using the white parts for stir frying, and then the green part just for garnish. With the tomato, I don't want to lose any juices. I want them to stay in the dish so the rice can, absorb all of this. If you run your finger through the top side here, you can feel high and low spots. If you cut in a low spot, you will hit in between the seeds, so most of the moisture will stay inside. See? Check this out. Let's go ahead and do this kind of cutting. I love tomatoes so much. I can just eat this right now. It smells so good. With the sausage, just gonna go ahead and cut it. Just to give it some interesting shape. Besides, this sausage, if you cut it too thinly, it is not like your traditional sausage you might be used to. It will actually give away a lot of fattiness into the dish, which is great, and it will become kind of like similar to beef jerky consistency, really tasty. So I wanted to have some bite into each piece. Here I got my wok, high heat. When you're getting ready all of your stir fry ingredients, I highly recommend you put them in somewhat of the order where you're going to use them. I'm gonna start with onion, followed with the Chinese sausage, then garlic, finish off with green onion, and this is for the garnish. Go in with a non-flavored oil, tablespoon or 2. Just make sure that the oil is nice and hot. Yellow onion. Let the onion infuse the oil nicely. Just get it nice and fragrant. You know what? On a second thought, that's a little too much oil. That's much better because sausage is going to give up a lot. Speaking of, go in with the sausage. I'm gonna go with garlic, green onion, nice. Sausage is getting a good texture. Tomatoes. I want tomatoes to be nice and fried a little bit. Soften up. I'm gonna go ahead, push everything to this area, going with an egg. And go ahead and scramble it immediately. Mix everything together. Break down the egg into smaller pieces. Rice is going in. Go ahead and work on your rice. Try to break it in. Mine is apparently pretty old. That's okay. Alright, next, go ahead and season with soy sauce. Look how beautiful this thing is. I'll go with white pepper. Give it a drizzle of sesame oil. Final mix. This is it, my friends. Well, my friends, I don't eat rice very often, but this is delicious, honestly. And to eat this, I actually am going to use big heaping spoon so I can get everything in one bite. Look at that. I've got sausage, tomato, egg, rice in here, and it smells so amazing. It is truly fantastic. And how easy is this? Just a few ingredients. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please take care, stay safe. I'll see you next time.